Alright, folks, TFU and Mike here from the GeekCast Radio Network. This is the last level I have to do commentary for now. I mean, okay, so you're going to still hear the commentaries, folks, but this is the last one I actually have to record. Because I was going to test out my audio and see if I could actually record it, but apparently not. So I'll ask now. And I ask in the future, until I can get the record device audio bug fixed on my phone, you guys still want the commentaries, I assume? Or are you okay with just the record device audio or no audio, yada, yada, yada? Because the record device audio thing is supposed to just play the sounds. It's supposed to just play the game sounds, which is what I normally do. Except that's not working right now. So I really don't want my videos to not have any sound, which is why I've been doing all the commentary stuff, which has put a strain on my voice. But as a 17-year podcast veteran, you'd think I'd be used to all this talking. But this is more talking that I'm used to doing. Anyway, enjoy. 11.95. 5 away from 1,200. Spread the mud. We gotta spread the mud. God. Can use this. Okay. Don't stop, move, doot, dap. Come on, where?
Sup, ladies?
Now see, I'm just moving it. Well, that worked. Better than I thought it would. As always, hope everyone's doing well. I'm doing alright. As of this recording, August 5th, 2025, I'm going in for a sleep medicine appointment this morning, so there's that. I don't know what the hell's going to happen with that, but there's that. It's a long story, folks. Alright, where are we?
Holy crap!
Holy crap. I still don't understand this mud. Mud is very weird.
Yum!
See, it should have went down and out, not... Mud is very weird.
Sup, ladies?
18 moves left.
You're amazing, friend.
Well, at least that's spread.
Dang, you're good.
Now I just have to worry about this corner over here.
Holy crap! I have the power!
Seriously? I thought that was gonna... Damn it.
Sup, ladies?
Oh, now you do what I want you to do? There you go, folks. $11.95 in the books. TFU and Mike, GeekCast Radio Network. Visit GeekCastRadio.com for all your podcasting needs from me and my friends, and I will catch you later.